screwdriver is not a chisel. Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie. And when you were learning how to use tools, is that one of the things you were taught? Screwdriver is not a chisel. Screwdriver is not a pry bar. Be nice to your screwdrivers. They're not meant for that. Well, what if they were? What if Wera made a set of screwdrivers that was stronger and better than the regular screwdriver? Well, how is that? Let's take a look. But before we do, let me ask you, please subscribe and like this video so I can continue making these for you. But let's take a look here. We open this up and you have your holder here if you'd like. It can be both vertical and horizontal, I am told, albeit usually horizontal is better. And when you open it up here, we have our screwdrivers. So let's take these out and set these down. First of all, they got the nice ergonomic handle that we've all come to love with the Wera tools. They've got the anti-roll on the handle here so they don't roll. Another nice feature is they have a portion here on the shank that you could put a wrench on. Actually, that's the size for the bigger ones here. So if you need extra torque with your screwdriver, you can do that. The other thing is they have a metal cap here, and as they call it, a pound through to the blade. So if you have a hammer, it's actually meant for that. So you can use the metal tip there, and it's all the way through to the end of the shank. So you can use it as a chisel or a pry bar. If you have a rusty screw and you need to hammer it down to kind of break some of the corrosion or rust off, you can do that. These are also the black point here, so you know they're durable and strong. So if you need a better set of screwdrivers that does more than just take screws out, look at the Wera set here.